Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So after a long time I'm uploading a video today because I didn't thought of today I'll be uploading any videos, I'll be doing any videos and all. Because I took some time to rest and rejuvenate because of the reason guys of the cyclone, Amphan cyclone. I was very low, very much disturbed. Many of my friends and family friends suffered because of this Amphan cyclone and all, and people, it was very devastated for everybody. People in West Bengal, especially in Kolkata and Odisha, it create a heart wrenching, what I'll say, result was very heart wrenching for me. It wrecked my heart and I was very devastated from inside. I was feeling very low. Anyways, let me tell you something, that is today I'm going to, while I was meditating, I got a message in this form of a story. I was doing something, a story came in front of me. I heard that story, and then I got that message from the universe instant that I need to share this story. I need to, this is the urgent message. The urgent message from the divine is: first pray and then set your goals high. You need to pray first to the divine, to the cosmic force, whatever you believe in, and then set your goals. Divine is telling you, then set your goals and aim for high. Aim high, okay? And then leave it. Then leave it, okay? So let me share you a story. There was a old man who was very poor, okay? One day he was left with no money to serve his family dinner. He had nothing left. So he thought of what to do. He must do something. Then he thought of, he had three bullets in his gun, and he must do something. He must bring some animals and all to serve his family some food in the dinner. So he went out with his three bullets and with his gun, that is shotgun, okay? He went out and he saw a rabbit. Then he thought of, let's kill the rabbit, okay? Then when he set his aim to, to shot that rabbit, then a voice suddenly came in and told him that first pray and then set your goals. He ignored that voice and he aimed it because he knew that he was very good at aiming. So it's not, nothing is going to happen. He just ignored that voice and he just aimed to that rabbit. He missed the aim. Then he also, again he thought of, okay fine, it's not a problem, I'm again blessed with two bullets more, so I can set again. Then that, and what happened when he missed that target? The rabbit ran away. And then what happened? He again saw a turkey. Okay, he saw a turkey. Then he thought of, okay, let's target that turkey. Then it will be a great dinner for my family. It's even much more better than that rabbit. Rabbit is quite small and the turkey is a big animal and it's quite tasty also. He thought of, okay, let's pray. Again that voice came and told him, first pray and then set your goals. He ignored that voice again, and again he set the goal. He targeted the turkey and he missed it, okay? Then he was, he was bit tense. He got bit tensed because he had only one bullet left, and again if he's going to miss another target, then what is going to give his family, how he's going to serve his family dinner? Then he saw deer also, but he knew with this bullet will not be able to aim, you know kill that deer. But still he wanted the deer also. So what happened? And then at that very point of time, he felt that a rattlesnake coiled his leg. Okay, coiled his leg. Okay, and he was very fearful. Suddenly again that, and it was about to bite him. And again suddenly that voice came in: first pray and then set for your goals. Then he, this time he didn't ignore this voice. He prayed to the universe, and he targeted his goal. Suddenly what happened? He knew the snake was about to bite him. Suddenly what happened? He shot. He made aim to the turkey and he shot it, and by God's grace, by divine grace, a miracle happened. what happened, the bullet that somehow hit the turkey and bounced back to the deer, and the trigger with which he pressed it and shot all this he shot the turkey, that trigger somehow fall down and hit hard on the snake's head, and the man, as if like some kind of force, pushed him into a pond. Something very miraculous happened at that point of time. And when he when he fall down, what happened, when he got up, he realized that it was a miracle, because the pond was full of fish. When he got up, his pocket was full of fish and all, full of fish and all. And he was very happy to see that his pocket was full of fish. At the same point of time, the snake got dead because the trigger hit hard on the snake's head, and the turkey got died, and the deer also died, because of the bullet bounced back towards the deer that hit the turkey first, then it bounced back to the deer. And this is only can happen because of the miracle of the god. Nothing, because it was not possible in other way. So that is the reason god was telling him to pray first and then set his goals. So that is the reason he universe wants us always to pray first, to pray to the divine, to give petition what you want to the universe, and then set your goal high, and then live it up to the universe, and then work for it, whatever you can do. Then universe is going to make it happen for you. Okay, make it happen for you. This is the message for you guys. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say, what the universe is trying to say to you. Please, before setting your goals, pray to the universe, give your petition to the universe, and then set your goals. And don't settle for less. Don't think that you don't deserve this and that. You just set your goals high, and it's up to the universe. Universe is going to do what is best for you. Okay, love and light to you guys. I hope you guys stay safe and well and protected. uh, Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming very soon again with another video. Bye. And next time I'll be doing divine masculine's energy. Okay, bye, take care of yourselves.